Hello everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make this extremely tasty, yummy, chatpata rice balls pakoda recipe which is made out of leftover rice. And guys, I can guarantee that you will love it so much that you will not be able to stop eating it. And now let's look at the process. और हम ये रेसिपी शुरू करें उसके पहले मैं आपको अपने दूसरे चैनल के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। आप सबके डिमांड पे मैंने वो दूसरा चैनल शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है एट होम विद अल्पा इन हिंदी। ऊपर जो लिंक दिख रहा है बस उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए और हो जाइए सब्सक्राइब मेरे उस दूसरे चैनल को भी। और चलिए अब हम शुरू करते हैं ये रेसिपी को। So for this recipe guys, I've taken a blender and to that I'm going to add 4 mild green chilies. I'm going to roughly chop them up and add it into the blender. If you guys are using spicy green chilies, then add it accordingly. Now I'm also adding ½ inch of ginger peas along with 4 to 5 garlic cloves. And now we are going to give it a blend. After blending guys, we are going to get a coarse paste out of these ingredients, and that is exactly what we want. And to this now we are going to add 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. The reason I didn't add the peanuts along with the green chilies while blending is because otherwise the peanuts would have become into a fine powder. But we want a coarse texture, and this is exactly how the texture of all the ingredients should be like, a little bit on the coarse side. And now let's remove it into a bowl. And once we have removed it into a bowl, let's take 1 cup of leftover rice and add it into the same blender along with 2 tablespoons of curd, which is yogurt or dahi, and 1/8 cup of water. And now let's give this a blend as well. After blending, let's look at the texture. See, it's very nice and thick texture, and that is exactly what we want. So let's add this rice batter into the same bowl as the peanuts and the green chilies. And to this, I'm going to add 2 small grated boiled potatoes followed by 1 medium-sized chopped onion, which comes to about ½ cup of chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, followed by 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is jeera, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek leaves, which I'm going to rub it between my hands to give it maximum flavor, followed by salt to taste. And now let's mix everything together. And once everything is nicely mixed in, then let's take a small part of this dough or batter, you can call it, in between your hands and make it into a round ball. Also guys, if you wish, you can grease your hand with a little bit of oil. I forgot to do that. That's why this dough is sticking to my hands. But you can always make up for my mistake. And now let's add this ball into hot oil. And one by one, I'm going to start adding these balls. I'm going to add about 4 to 5 at a time and cook them till the time they are nice and golden brown in color from all sides. And looks like one of the balls is nice and ready. So let's remove it. And then we are going to remove the rest of the balls. And the similar way, we are going to fry all of these balls. And look at them. They're looking absolutely tempting. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about this recipe guys. Definitely make it because I'm telling you it's absolutely chatpata. And guys, if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button along with these other links. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button for my second channel, which is the Hindi channel. And I'll see you very soon. Meanwhile, you take care. Bye bye.